my dear students. Good afternoon. Today we have to see term 1 first unit poem Beyond the Universe. Okay. Yeah. What is mean by beyond? Beyond means outside the limits or reach. Okay. What is mean by universe? The universe means everything that exists, all the galaxies, all the stars, all the planets and everything in between. Okay my dears, so beyond the universe means to reach the universe. So this is only meaning of beyond the universe. Yeah, now let's go into the poem. Yeah, let me read the poem first. Yeah, it is a dream of a poet. The poet considered be a young girl. Here poet dreams. Yeah, first stanza. I dream of flying beyond the earth, amidst the planets and the countless stars. I would stop by the red planet Mars. Here we dream of a home away from home. Second stanza. Fly on to watch the Saturn with its ring and moons. Then I stopped by Jupiter, marveled by its red storms that look like marbles. Third stanza. Hurtling through a belt of asteroids, I crossed Uranus without a fuss. To Neptune, the blue ice giant. Further high, I fly beyond the galaxy. Finally, fourth stanza. To meet the creator of this magnificent display, to take me beyond the Milky Way, to voyage across the galaxies. So this poem have totally 4 stanza only. Okay dears, shall I explain first stanza? Yeah. I dream of flying beyond the air. I, who is mentioned here? I, yeah, good, poet. The poet dream of flying beyond. Beyond means reach the earth. Second line, amidst the planets and the countless stars. Amidst means surrounded by the planets and the countless stars. Third line, I would stop by the red planet Mars. The poet would stop by the red planet Mars. Here we dream of a home away from home. Here the poet mentioned we have the home from earth, but we want to make a home in the Mars. So this only meaning of first stanza. Okay dears, shall I move second stanza? Yeah, second stanza. Fly on to watch the Saturn. Fly on, up. On means up. Fly up to watch the Saturn. Fly up to watch the Saturn with its ring and moons. Then I stopped by Jupiter, marveled. Then the poet stopped by Jupiter, marveled. Marveled means something that causes wonder by its red storms that look like marbles. Marbles means a little ball of glass. Okay dears, so then the poet stopped by Jupiter, something that causes wonder by its red storms that look like a marbles. Okay dears, this is only second stanza meaning. Okay, so shall I move third stanza? Yeah. Hurtling through a belt of asteroids. Hurtling means racing over the barriers. So racing over, move freely through a belt of asteroids. Move freely through the belt of asteroids. So I crashed Uranus without a fuss. Fuss means difficult. So the poet crashed Uranus without a difficult. Okay, so to Neptune, the blue ice giant. Giant means wonder. Okay, so to Neptune, the blue ice giant. Further Further means to move ahead. I fly, the pointer fly beyond to reach the galaxy. So galaxy means a large group of stars all orbiting a central point. This already I explained that previous lesson. Okay dears, so this poem this third stanza explain is racing over move freely through a belt of asteroids. He crashed Uranus without difficulty. Okay, then to Neptune the blue ice giant to move ahead high. He flew beyond the galaxy. Okay, this is only third stanza meaning. So shall I move fourth stanza? Yeah, to meet the creator. To meet the creator. Creator here mentioned God. Okay, to meet the creator of this magnificent display. Magnificent means something great, display means show. So of this magnificent display to take me beyond the Milky Way. Milky Way means already I said previous lesson, the galaxy that we live in. Okay, to voyage across the galaxies. Voyage means journey. Journey across. Across means over. So journey over the galaxies. Okay dears. So to meet the creator God. To meet the God of this something great display to take me reach the Milky Way. Okay, so to journey past the galaxies. Okay dears, so this is only meaning of fourth stanza. So finally once I recall this poem explanation. Okay my dears, yeah. So this poet wants to travel beyond the earth in this dream. So he travel across the planets like Mars, red planet, Jupiter, red storm, certain ring and moons, Uranus rolling on its axis, Neptune, blue ice giant. Okay, so he likes to go beyond the universe to meet the creator. Creator means God. Okay, so the poet also requests God to take him beyond the Milky Way to travel across the galaxies. Okay dears, so this is only short form of this poem. Okay my dears, yeah, all of you understand clearly. So I hope you are all are understood. Okay my dears, so shall I move next one? Yeah, this poem glossary. Beyond means outside the limits or reach. Amidst means surrounded by. Marveling means something that causes wonder. Resembles means to like or similar to. Marbles means a little ball of glass or clay used by children to play. Okay, hurdling means racing over the barriers. Fuss means difficult. Further means to move ahead. Magnificent means something great. Voyage means journey. Okay, shall I move next one? All of you understand this glossary? Yeah, good. Next, same this page mention same glossary only. Next, match the following. Okay my dears, so Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, Mars, which one? Red planet. Good, Mars, you have to match it. Red planet only answer. Next, Saturn you have match it. Ring and moons. Saturn you have to match it. Ring and moons. Jupiter you have to match red storm. Jupiter you have to match red storm. Uranus you have to match rolling on its axis. Rolling on its axis. Finally, Neptune you have to match blue ice giant only Neptune. Okay my dears, so you have to understand clearly, I think. Shall I move question and answers? Yeah, first question. Where is the poet flying in the dream? Yeah, in the poem, in the dream of the poet. In the dream, the poet is flying beyond the earth. Okay. Second question. Which planet has rings around it? Saturn has rings around it. Saturn has rings around it. Okay. Third question. Which planet has red storm? Jupiter has red storm. Jupiter has red storm. Okay. Next, fourth question. Why does the poet fly out of the universe? Answer. The poet flies out of the universe to meet the creator who made everything. I repeat once. The poet flies out of the universe to meet the creator who made everything. Okay, dears. Next, fifth question. Name the planets the poet flies through. Answer. The poet flies through Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, my dears. So this is only 5 question and answers. Okay, all of you understand clearly, I think. So today homework. Yeah, assignment. Learn and write. Match the following. Answer the following questions one time. Okay, my dears. Okay, thank you so much for watching our video classes. Take care of your health. Stay safe at home. Okay, my dears. Bye. See you. Meet next class, my dears. Bye. Thank you.